Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a Valentine's themed loopy puff bow. You are going to need, let me get my little note here. You are going to need 63 pieces of 4-inch long, 3/8 inch wide grosgrain. I have a couple of different groupings here. You are also going to need your scissors, your lighter, needle and thread, and you are going to need your hot glue gun as well. I would suggest using a larger circle of felt than I have. I thought I had more and I ran out, so we're going to be doing our best with this. I might add a couple of more pieces just to bulk it up, because that's an awfully small piece of felt circle in which to do this in. So you are also going to need the clip of your choice. Let me quick bulk up that felt circle. I thought it was going to be enough when I initially put them together, and now I'm looking at it and I'm like, let's not. So gonna quick bulk that up, because once all of these are sewn, they have to be glued onto here. So you want a decent size circle. If you think your circle is big enough, make it a little bit bigger, and then you can always trim off excess as you need it. It's better to have too much than not enough and have to piece together little felt circles like I am. Hopefully this is going to be enough. See, we're going to put the felt circles and the clip off to the side. I'm going to unclip all of the ribbons. I kept them clipped this way because I pre-cut them 2 days ago, and I didn't want them to get mixed up. Now, normally in the past, when I've done loopy puff bows, I have done them in a specific order, and I have found that it just doesn't end up translating it well. It ends up getting messed up anyway. So what I am going to do is we are just going to, I'm not even going to try to color match this or anything. We're just going to do it in whatever order I pick. You're going to want to fold the 4-inch piece in half and spear your needle through the 2 ends. And pick up another piece and do it. This is one of those bows that I would really recommend a nice long needle for. You're going to be able to get enough pieces on here to be able to keep working, because once this fills up, you're going to have to push it down and then start all over again. So keep going, picking up a piece, folding it in half, sticking the needle through the ends, and moving on. I am going to do one more piece after this, and then I will work off camera and then come back when I am ready to finish this off. So again, you pick up a piece, fold it in half, stick your needle through the ends, and then pick up another piece. So I will be back when I am done with this.
A few moments later.
All right, we are back. I have put all of the pieces on, and I'm going to show you guys how to finish this off now. I'm going to pull the end with the knot out a little bit, and you are just going to tie it off. It's simple. knot. I try to make it as tight as possible. It just makes the loopy puff bow look a lot more polished and prettier if it's tight and cinched in well. And this is why upholstery thread is so important with stuff like this. You can really yank on it hard and not snap it. Looks a little messy now, guys, but give me a chance and we will make it look so much better. You're going to lay it down and you're going to fluff up all the little loops. This is why 63 is a really good number. You get a nice full bow, just like that. Now we're going to take the piece together felt circles that we've got going on here and slap on some hot glue. We're going to flip the bow over and press the felt circle down, and again come back, fluff up the bow as the hot glue is drying slash setting, whatever you want to call it. Making sure the bow is exactly how you want it, because once it's set, it's set. And there you go. You're going to come back with your clip. Run a line of hot glue on your clip. And then place it on top of the felt circles. Well, felt circles slash circles. Pushing down. And then I like to take one additional felt circle. This can be a smaller one. This can be a square if you are cutting it out of a sheet. Whatever shape, just as long as it's a piece of felt, because I come around and place it inside the clip. It gives it a little bit more stability. And there you guys go. Make sure your loops are separated. I would put this in your stiffening box or towel or whatever you stiffen on. Give it a good spray. Soak this and let it dry, and it will stay like this permanently. Well, not permanently, but it'll stay like this for a while. If you want, you can come up here and add a little embellishment to some of the top loops, to the side loops, wherever. I would just take some loops, pinch them together, and then put the embellishment right there inside of a couple. But there you go. You have a loopy puff bow. A pair of these are really cute in pigtails. This is adorable right on top of a ponytail. If you like this video, please click the like button down below. Share it to somebody you think will like it. If you are not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Click the bell next to it. Set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. The liking, the sharing, and the subscribing really do help with the algorithm so that it boosts me so more people see it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down below as well. Check the description box for any pertinent links, as well as the link to the Instagram. I will be back next week with a faux leather glitter canvas bow with a template link. So be sure to check that out. Until then, thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.